Okay, this is Sunday, July 15th, and I'll start at this end of my garden. This is a couple of different watermelon plants, actually two different varieties, and there's lots of flowers and lots of foliage, but no actual melons yet, although we keep hoping. There are bees, so hopefully something will come of this. There is a stevia plant, okay, and it seems to be doing okay here. This is a strawberry plant that's actually a transplant from the front yard because the tree that it was under was getting too big, so it wasn't getting any light. Although right now it's shady here, this does actually get some good sun later in the day. Oh, look at all the bees. There's lots of bees there. Okay. This is our largest watermelon. Okay. And we got a bed of straw for it to sit on. There's another one right in here. So hopefully something will come of those too. We have a couple of tomato plants in here, and then we have lots of cucumber plants. Now the problem this year is we have lots of cucumber plants, we have lots of flowers, we do have bees, but we have not been picking all that many cucumbers. In past summers, by this time we would have had more than 40 or 50 really good sized cucumbers, and we've only picked a few so far. And when I say a few, maybe 10 or 15. One of the cucumber plants actually does only produce small cucumbers, which are more tasty. These are called pickling cucumbers. So, let's see one in there. Look at all the bees around. And there's a long skinny one over there. So there's a couple variety of cucumbers in here. So we're hoping something comes of this. But we've had such weird weather. It's either been oppressively hot or rainy as heck. So instead of the right mixture. Lots of cherry tomatoes popping up, getting ripe, ready to go. You can pop them right in your mouth or put them in your salad. Okay, some green tomatoes over here, and more watermelon plants. And I've not seen any melon on this vine yet, but again, there's flowers and there's bees. Okay, so what's really neat, I'll get back here. It's a good size. The two beds, but it's a good size mass of foliage. So. Okay, now if you remember, this is where our grow box used to be, and we got rid of that, and what we're going to do is put a nice bench here. And this is our long tomato bed. It's only tomatoes this year. It has produced many tomatoes. A number of them with that stripe they get in them. And I don't know, I've heard that's from too much water, but no bottom rot. I haven't seen that yet, so that's good because I do have lime underneath them all, and I hope that keeps that from happening. Probably about 4 or 5 different varieties of tomato plants. Okay, and we have been picking those fairly steadily for, I would say, well over a month. So there's some nice ripe ones in there. Okay, and some turning. Now this end of the bed has just been kind of trying all spring and summer. It's not really produced a lot of anything. I finally got some tomatoes to take in here. So, but still they're just plants, so we'll see how that goes. I've tried all kinds of seeds. You'll see some pepper plant seeds in here, and I think that's a cucumber that's coming up from some seeds that I've thrown in here. But you can actually see seeds everywhere. I've tried several different pepper plants down here, but this one just does not get a lot of sun. So hopefully the tomatoes will do well. Okay, now we have the spice bed. This has a lot of different spices, and I got basil and I got peppers in here. And now the problem with the peppers is, we got a bunch of, because there's so much moisture, we've had a bunch of mushrooms growing in here, so I'm going to have to get those out. But there's with the peppers, we've been getting that side rot that they get, so I've actually had to compost several of them. Well, this is neat. Little tiny peppers here, little red ones, and there's some cayennes. And these are called Mexi Bells. Yeah. I'm not sure what this one is. I've got, for the peppers, I have so many variety that I had to do these little signs, and I actually have my paper inside, so I don't know what everything is. But like I said, a lot of them have, they ripen up, but then they get this rot on the side of them, this brown spots, and so so it doesn't do very good. Got some bananas coming up. And again, lots of different spices, basils, rosemary, oregano, spicy oregano, thyme. There's all kinds of things here, some chives, so forth. And, it's just an interesting bed, so I really like it. Let's see, here's a Mexibel. See if it's got, see it's got that rot kind of thing too going on there. So, oh, that's a nice looking pepper there. Yeah. So anyway, we don't know what's going on with that. Okay. And then my other bed, again, a variety of peppers. There's nothing but peppers in this one, and so far so good. A lot of foliage. Okay, so it's a good mixture of different types of plants, and they seem to be doing well. Now some of them got some leaf problems here, but as you can see, there's peppers coming up. So this is a lemon kind of thing, and I forgot what the plant was, so I don't have a label for it. So anyway, a lot of shade here and a lot of moisture, and peppers like dry soil and lots of sun, so hopefully that's what's coming our way. Okay, so didn't do the earth boxes this year because I'm kind of busy this summer. In fact, in my opinion, summer's already gone. I got too many projects to work on. But it's a nice bed, and it's producing some stuff, but not as good as in past years. So, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll have a good long fall. So, oh, got some kitty cats playing around. So, hey, Will, Kitty, what are you doing? Anyway, that's it. So, well, get out of there. Get out of there. It's not a playground. It's not a playground. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay, well, see the bees? Look at all the bees. Okay, signing off. Oh, let me go back here. Oh, isn't that neat? It's just a mass of foliage there. And over there. Okay, signing off.